The United Nations has designated the 5th June as World Environment Day. Every year since 1974, it has been celebrated to help draw attention to benefits that nature gives to humanity. Let's have a look how the Northeast region observed the World Environment Day.
Along with the rest of the country, the Northeast region too observed the World Environment Day amidst COVID-19. This year's theme of the World Environment Day is biodiversity, a concern that is both urgent and existential. In Shillong, the Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier or BSFM organized a massive plantation drive. Around 15,000 tree saplings were planted by the Border Security Forces. Tree sapling was also planted across all the border outposts or BOPs along the Indian-Bangladesh border. The day was also observed in all the 11 district headquarters in the state.
हम न केवल ये पेड़ लगा रहे हैं बल्कि हम ये इंश्योर भी करते हैं कि इसमें से अधिकतम जो पेड़ हैं वो सर्वाइव करें और ये लंबे समय तक जो है हमको अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान करें। इसके लिए हम लोगों ने हर घर में जिम्मेदारी दी है कि इन पेड़ों को न केवल लगाएं बल्कि उनकी एक नैतिक जिम्मेदारी बनेगी कि इनको समय पे इनकी जो है गुड़ाई करें, इन पे पानी दें ताकि ये जो है इनको नुकसान न हो और ये 2-3 साल बाद अपने आप ही इनकी ग्रोथ जो है बढ़ जाएगी।
Whereas in Tripura, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb along with top officials of the state took part in a plantation drive at the Civil Secretariat complex. More than 76% of its geographical area is under forest cover in Tripura. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Deb said that all citizens must keep the environment pollution free so that all have access to pure oxygen, and only way to do is by planting more trees.
We have to take care of environment, then only the environment will take care of us. Today the problems which we are seeing are because of the fact that we have not been able to look at the environment holistically, because the nature is the prime thing and we have a lot of learning in nature. We have to live with nature, we have to nurture the nature, and we have to protect the nature in order to save ourselves.
Also in Manipur, a 20-minute documentary titled Protected Areas of Manipur, The Wilderness Unexplored, produced by the State Forest Department, was released during the World Environment Day. Going a step ahead in its pursuit to ensure a healthy environment and to spread the importance of forest cover in maintaining ecological balance, IGAR North in Kohima observed a mass plantation drive on the occasion of World Environment Day. Residents actively participated in the event along with troops and families. As part of the novel initiative, over 10,000 saplings of various varieties were planted across Nagaland. The Assam Rifles in Kohima, Kohima Battalion, Kifre, Tuinsang, Zohebota, Gaspani, Mokokchong and Samotor Battalion planted tree saplings within Kohima military garrison and its surroundings. Similarly, the day was also observed in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Sikkim. This year's hosts for the World Environment Day were Germany and Colombia.